Dengan menggunakan drone, seorang petani di North Carolina bisa menebarkan pupuk dengan biaya hampir 1/10 biaya menggunakan penebar pupuk konvensional. Pesawat nirawak yang digunakannya juga bisa menjalani beragam fungsi lain, membuat usahanya lebih ekonomis dan menguntungkan.
I think that's one of the best kept secrets right now in agriculture is drone technology. We can fly over a cornfield in season and we can see, is there a problem area? Is it fertility? Is it somebody messed up with chemistry? Do we have soil biology issues where that crop is not growing as well in one area? And we can essentially take that one section out and we can scientifically test it in the laboratory to see what the problem is and actually grow a better food.
Drone yang digunakan adalah buatan DJI Technologies, bermarkas di Shenzhen, Tiongkok, dan sedang mendapat sorotan tajam dari anggota Kongres di ibu kota Amerika Serikat.
Despite its significant presence, DJI is based in China and it has known ties with the Chinese Communist Party, which represents a national security risk to the United States. As we know, the companies with ties to the CCP operate in an environment tightly intertwined with the Communist Chinese government.
Senat akhirnya tak menyertakan larangan drone Tiongkok dalam perundangan final yang disahkan pada Desember. Tapi perusahaan Tiongkok diberi waktu setahun untuk menjamin keamanan penggunaan drone-nya.
Chinese manufactured drones are a real and present threat to the security of this country. We ought to stop using them. Use American drones instead. Drones manufactured in China are a source of surveillance, data collection, other kinds of security threats.
DJI sendiri merespons positif batalnya larangan drone Tiongkok dalam perundangan yang akhirnya disahkan dan meminta pengguna drone-nya untuk terus berkomunikasi dengan wakil rakyat mereka.
We've talked to lawmakers. We work with these drones every single day. I have friends in the industry that do the same thing every single day. And the lawmakers haven't given us a valid reason yet. And I'm not saying they have to divulge all the details, but if there is a true security issue, just say it. If they're going to ban it, if they're going to say that they're bad, tell us why. Because every time that I've talked to a lawmaker, they could do this, they could do that. It's always they could.
Menurut Drone Industry Insights, DJI menguasai sekitar 80% pasar drone di Amerika Serikat. Secara terpisah, larangan drone asal Tiongkok juga bergulir di Departemen Perdagangan Amerika Serikat. Sementara sebuah organisasi advokasi penggunaan drone oleh warga sipil, AUVSI, merekomendasikan agar pemerintah tidak berfokus pada larangan impor, melainkan pada investasi terhadap industri drone domestik. Dari Washington DC, saya Poerwadi dan tim VOA.